We're in Dota class today. I have the hiccups. Oh my god. I have the hiccups. It's so funny. Okay. No. Uh-oh, you're gonna see the lake. Oh! There's a man! Oh no. No! It's up background.
There's no space.
Okay. It says I don't have access to my Spotify for some reason. I don't get it. Whatever. Let's just play a bunch of Game of Dota. Should I play rank? I wonder what my Oh my god, it's 2,800 is my DPI. I'll bring it down to 1,000. Oh, so slow. I have the hiccups. I have the hiccups. I have the hiccup. Ah! My hair looks so ugly. No, I'm not going 850. That's so low. I'm never ever gonna finish Outlast. One day. It should be a life goal. A life goal? I will watch someone finish Outlast. Actually, I should see the playthrough of Outlast. Yeah, well, I don't like it slow. So I was gonna play VR today, but then I didn't play VR. I don't know why. Well, I'm deleting Outlast from my screen. Okay, let's see who my All Heroes challenge is today. I am going to play that. Okay, now what do I do? That makes sense. Wow. Hi, Jay. Oh, sorry. Hello, welcome to the stream. Yeah, so 100 cheers for the hiccup. Well, that was supposed to surprise me, get rid of my hiccups, but I still have my hiccups, so that was not shocking enough, I guess. I am drinking water. Oh my god. How are you doing? Hello, hello. Oh. How are you guys? How? Oh my god, my hiccups again. Did you guys do the Halloween candy? I'm not a big fan of candy, so it doesn't matter to me. You're making lines. There we go. Why did you want to play? I mean, you can play if you want. I don't care, whatever. You coming? Why is this incompatible? Oh my god, so annoying. No, I don't want to smurf, whatever, I don't give a shit. I don't really feel like playing with anyone right now. Do not hold your breath, you will suffocate. I don't know. We should play like a non-Dota game today, but I don't know what. Oh, gee, I was supposed to play that game that you suggested last stream. I didn't get a chance to play it yet. You were gonna suggest that game? I kind of want to play it. It looks fun. What is it called again? Oh, what's Ring of Elysium? Spooky Jumpscare Mansion. Should I play it now? I wonder if I can launch 2 games at once. I hate green screen. It's kind of annoying. It's the weekend, Jay. What are you up to? Rimworld, oh.